Saturday, the 23rd, and 10 board presents NMI. You don't want to miss it.
What's NMI?
New member installation, the event of the century. New members will officially be recognized and inducted into the club. You don't want to miss it.
Wow, what else happened?
Come on down to see big little pairings be revealed!
That's hardcore! The new members will be placed into new families, right? Who's gonna be there?
That Saturday, all your favorite families will be there. Salty sailors, road trippers, mountain runners, hot air travelers, and the choo-choo trains.
And when and where is it?
Saturday, the 23rd, from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. at CSU Pavilion B. You don't want to miss it.
I don't want to miss it. Saturday the 23rd from 5 to 10 p.m. I better get headed to the CSU Pavilions B.